Hi, I'm Charlie. I'm a patient here at the Holistic Dental Centre in Farnham. I came in because, I saw a lot of people on TV having these great, nice, smiley white teeth, and I thought it was a really good look. And really, I came into this practice because friends of family, friends of friends, etc. I saw one of my friends' mums with really, really nice teeth, and I thought, yeah, I think I need that. And I've been meaning to do it for a long time, really, and I just really wanted to get them done. I look at my social media profiles before, I wasn't smiling at all, and now, like, in every photo, all you can see is teeth. So yeah, I'm really, really happy I've done it.
Charlie came to see me because he wanted to improve his smile. He'd noticed on his Instagram posts that he wasn't smiling as much as he could. He's a very funny, cheeky chappy, and I wanted to just give him more confidence than he already had. He had Invisalign and some composite bonding with me, and I think he's really happy with the results.
So the Invisalign process probably took about 6 months for me. I came in for a scan and consultation back last October, and Emma gave me a timeline of what my teeth were going to look like with a different set of retainers each week, and slowly the teeth condensed to a point where you're happy with them. And the timeline really gave me a good idea, good understanding of what was going to happen, and then from there I've just been wearing retainers overnight, and that's it really. I think anyone asking me about Invisalign and whether they should do it or not, I'd wholeheartedly say do it, and that's not any PR stunt, it's a definite you should do it. I'm so much more confident for doing it. People compliment me all the time, and I think apart from anything else, that's a big ego boost, and you could do with that, and it just does make you feel like you've done the right thing. Even though it may potentially be a long process, I think it's definitely a process that's worth doing. So I knew a lot of the team here before. I knew some of the reception staff, and I knew Emma before, and how they are as people really reflects the service that they give here. I think they're all really professional, really good. No problem is too big for them, and they make you feel really welcome here, and apart from that, the job that they do is absolutely brilliant, so highly recommended. Finally, just a big thank you to Emma and the team and the whole Invisalign process. It's really, really lifted my confidence, and I feel like it's a process that's definitely worth doing.